So, on Section 10 of Income Tax Act, the discovery about the key amendment under Section 10 of Income Tax Act or Notification 9642 alone about the condition consequent of the impact of the trust institution and other various section. Section 23. So, want to see the want to see rules on. So, excising of some explanation through the provision of 23C, Section 23, Section 11. The option to excise accordance to the provision of the explanations of Section 11 of the Act respect of the income any of the previous year or the assessment year. Beginning on and after the first April 2023 shall be the Form 9 shall be furnished before the expiry of the time allowance of Section 139(1) of the Act. The statement is furnished to the assessing officer of the present authority. Mm, and the statement of furnished to the assessment officer prescribed authority Section 9 class of and the provision of 23C of Section 10 of Act under the instruction of Section 2 or Section 9 Section 2 Clause A under the said provision applicable to Section 10 Clause 21 say that the form number 10 shall be furnished before the expiry of the time of Section 131 and furnished returns of income. The option of the 9A refer to the rule, the Section 10 to for rule to furnish electronically in the digital form. The principal officer receive a procedure of filing the form. Therefore, the Rule 3 specify a date structured standard manner of generation of electric verification code. The Rule 3 purpose of verification person furnish forms and be responsible for formulating and implementing the appropriate security, archival, retrieval, and possibility of the form to be furnished. Forms and mode of investment and deposit in charitable institutions. The form sections of Form 7 is the form and mode of investments and deposit under the clause. The 8 of clause is 7 of section 12 of the subsection 5 of the rule section 11 shall be following. Investment of the units in mutual schemes and mutual funds, section 10 of income tax and transfer deposit of the accounts. Deposit made authority constitution in India by and by and acted either with the purpose of dealing with or satisfying the need of housing according to the purpose of planning development, improvement of cities, towns and villages. The investment area of acquiring equally share the deposit in section 2, section 1 deposit and 1996. The investment made by the recognized stock exchange report number section 2 clause F of the insecurity for contract regulation of 1956. Afterwards, it is equity share capital of the company. Equity share capital of the company, which is engaged in dealing with security main whose main objective to acquire the membership of another electronic stock exchange for the sole purpose of facilitating the members of the investors and traders said the stock exchange to invest in accordance with the adaptation of the elements of the security exchange bill of 1992 or by the security exchange bill of section 3 of the act. In which the right of 1% of the equity shares of the investors. The investment made by the was an authorized under section ruling of the payment settlement act. Equity share capital is engaged in the operation of retail investment system and digital systems. Human activities in India authorities approve the service which at least over 41% of the equity shares held by the payment national payments. Investment made by the project authorities under the section 4 of the payment settlement act to the equity share capital at the open network. The incubating engine was incubating without labor the central government of Minister of Science and Development incubator reform. As a national skill development corporation, instrumental instrument issued by the tribes of investment in stock certificates, sovereign gold bonds issued investment way of acquiring power exchange, investment interest. Access option section 245 Yamaha and integration section 44 DA. And the exciting option of other side to withdraw is pending application under the question for 245 M shall be for file form 34 M maybe. The form 34BB shall be verified by the person who is authorized to verify a return of income of the C under the section 140. The farm authority for BB shall be bar of farmers according to the procedure. Farmers just receivable the principal director general of income tax and director general of income tax as the case may be. Therefore, single printout of said which and children in the minor resident principal director general of the director income tax act in the case of election truthful. The principal director and director general of the director general of income tax case may be specified the procedure formats and standards of the purpose of furnishing verification and uploading election 34B. Technical form section application class 2 after explanations of the class of section 11 of the income tax and assessing of the behalf of the tax institution have exercise option 2 under the class 2 explanation of section 1 of class 7 section 11 of income tax and amount of rupees be deemed to be the income applied to the chargeable interest. The reason below the detailed incomes regarding the amount of income received on the property under the head of the man, which is amount noting amount of income is applied charitable trust in rupees. Amount of income that receiving class to fall short of 83% of amount plus amount received which is exercised when the reason of shortfall is whether income is not received during the previous year. The amount is received but outcome. Neither reason in previous or specific reason correspondence with the reason for shortfall amount of then option of form shall be signed at trustee and date and the able to vary into the housing observers the authority under the class A explanation fee of the third provision on the 3C election. On behalf of the trust institution, fund institution trust any municipality study of the only constitution. However, like the hereby being not to your notice and has been decided to resolution by trustees common vote another name also on this date they income or fund institution trust income or fund institution trust initially as on and data that out of the income on the fund as university education institution a hospital and the medical institution association of previous relevant to the assessment year amount which is a percentage of the income on the fund trust and institution education institution in hospitals and medical trust association of boson with previous year shall be accumulated and set part and carried forward about and prescribed forms and institution. The detail of the amount, a section number, and which statement being furnished, the purpose of which amount is accumulated, and some amount accumulated by him. Scenarios. The amount is accumulated part has been invested in the person in the one or amount approved by the section 11. Okay. The further what you notice that said name of the fund institution trust. Education institution respective amount proceeding non-branch name of the major set of the amount required under the class 23 providing amounting to income generation and notice that out of the income due to the order of the visit in the court, the income detail below could not be applied for purpose of which accumulated that was amount of income previous in Japan is a during a period during which it is